Hello everyone, welcome again. This is your friend Ramiz from Travel Food Dreams. What are we doing? Where are we going? All excited? Yes, I am. Very excited because we are going to the Maldives of Saudi Arabia and that is the Farsan Islands. So, इससे पहले कि हम आगे जाए मैं आपको सब कुछ बता देता हूँ. इस ट्रिप में बहुत मजा आने वाला है और एक बहुत अच्छा सा आप सब के लिए एक सरप्राइज है. वो सरप्राइज क्या है आगे चल के मैं बताऊंगा. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड and just enjoy this beautiful experience. Let's go.
Guys, remember I told you about a small, tiny, miny little surprise that I have? तो ये surprise क्या था? ये surprise इस trip पे ये है that this is a जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा sort of a trip with my friends. Let me introduce you to my gang, to my friends who are going to this beautiful Maldives island of Saudi Arabia. I have with me Mr. Osama, followed by Mr. Zaid and Mr. Jamshad. So friends, we just made a pit stop. This place is called as Beit Al Arika and I am pretty fond of very traditional Saudi food, and all thanks to my wonderful friend over here, Osama.
Guys, finally we are here. Finally we are starting with our journey. We are in the ship. It is an amazing layout. It is really plush and really nice. One thing that I can tell you is you have to be very careful with your water, with your food, because unfortunately where you will be waiting, that area doesn't have a cafeteria, a working cafeteria as of now. So if you're carrying kids, if you have your kids, if you have friends with you, it is advisable that you have water. That's one thing that I can say. बाकी इस ट्रिप में और क्या क्या एक्साइटमेंट है इस ट्रिप में आपको हर एक डिटेल मैं आपको देता रहूंगा. Stay tuned and enjoy Travel Food Dreams.
को ये भी बता दूं कि इसमें कोरल रीफ्स है, इसमें बहुत खूबसूरत अनोखे अलग अलग जगह हैं देखने के. वन ऑफ विच इज़ द मैनग्रूव आइलैंड. मतलब ये एक ऐसा चीज़ है आप देखकर आप यकीन ही नहीं कर सकते that this is Saudi Arabia. So my friends, we are embarking a journey which will just take your breath away. So sit tight and be amazed with your travel buddy at Travel Food Dreams. As you know, on Travel Food Dreams we are making new friends and we've just made another friend over here. He's been telling me just how amazing this trip is gonna be. So, hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you? I am Rawad Rajabi.
We're making some more friends over here.
Omar, what's your name? Omar Rajabi.
Omar, how are you, Omar?
How are you, man? How are you, man?
Very good. All
Very
good.
good. Thank you, thank you.
See, one thing, my friends, Saudi is full of friendly people. So you come here and you have friends. Thank you so much, Omar. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Friends, we came here. We went to a hotel. I'll show you the hotel. It's pretty decent, very nice hotel actually. We took a little rest and उसके बाद हम यहाँ पे आ गए अपना बोट बुक करने के लिए because हमारा प्लान है कि हम कल सुबह अर्ली मॉर्निंग बोट के लिए निकलेंगे. Now over here the thing is, if you want to go for the mangrove exploration, it is post 9 a.m. not before that because of the water level. Only when you have appropriate water level they will let you go. So because of that, what we've been told is only after 9 a.m. would that happen. So we have just come here to actually book the boat. आप लोगों को एक चीज़ बताऊं वाकई में इस आइलैंड में आके आपको लगेगा ही नहीं कि एक आइलैंड है. इट्स सो बिग, इट्स रियली ह्यूज. मतलब ये आइलैंड अपने आप में एक छोटा सा टाउनशिप है. दिस आइलैंड इन itself is so huge and it's very well planned, But my suggestion would be, when you come here, please make sure that you book your trip, your boat ride a day before you plan to go.
Okay, so if you see, my friend Osama has selected a fish finally.
You see the eye,
Okay.
and if you put like this, this is good. And also, see,
Oh, right. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, friends, once you buy the fish, you just saw how our expert Osama got the fish, and you also learned how to select the fish. The second thing is, you come to the shop, and over here he guts it out, he cleans the fish, and then he would give it back to you. So it is a very clean process. It's a really nice process. And Osama, could you
Yes.
tell our friends that once you find the fish,
Yes.
then you have to come to a shop like this and
Yes.
you have to get the fish?
Not for cutting, for maybe shaving like this.
right.
After that, you take and you go to a restaurant to cook.
So the restaurant will cook this.
Yes.
Great, thanks again. Thank you.
Welcome.
So see, that's why having friends who are so knowledgeable about all of it can give you an edge. And you are watching Travel Food Dreams. On Travel Food Dreams, I will be giving you all the update that's going to help you a lot. So keep watching and keep enjoying. Guys, we just came to the shop and the person is Abu Naif. One thing that is amazing about this person is he has this beautiful smile and he's all the time, mashallah, smiling and helping. So I'll be showing you how things are going on right now, okay? It's amazing. So let's carry on. Friends, I'm with Mr. Expert Osama and my amazingly good friend Mr. Abu Naif over here with me. I'll be showing you the process, how the fish is being made. I wish you could smell right now. It is such an amazing, delicious smell that I get.
I have one request. If anyone coming to Parasan should be visit to Abu Naif. Please.
Friends, please, if you are in Farasan Island, visit my friend over here and I'll just show you the shop from outside. Let me show you the shop. So when you come here, this is the shop. So part 1, you go, you select the fish. Once you select the fish, part 2, you give the fish for gutting and cleaning. Once that is done, then part 3, you come to him and he will prepare the entire fish for you. Mr. Jamshad? Mr. Jamshad, do you like cats? Good morning, friends. हम लोग इस वक्त सुबह सुबह फरसाना आइलैंड्स को, या फरसान आइलैंड्स कह लीजिए आप, इस जगह को हम सुबह सुबह एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हैं. वी आर वॉकिंग डाउन द स्ट्रीट्स, इफ यू कैन सी. What we're trying to do is we're trying to find out some really nice, good restaurant or eating place where we can just munch something and start the day with, because right now what we are planning is to start our day by going to the beach, and after we go to the beach then we have our boat ready. So I'll be giving you the updates as I said, and we'll enjoy. सच बताऊं, यहाँ आके मेरे को इतनी ज़्यादा खुशी हुई है. इट इज़ सीरियसली वन ऑफ द मोस्ट ब्यूटिफुल प्लेसेस आई हैव बीन सो फार. इट्स एन एब्सोल्युटली क्लीन बीच, pristine water. If you come here, trust me, it's gonna be so much of a breathtaking experience. Look at this. ज़िंदगी खूबसूरत होती है मेरे दोस्त, बहुत खूबसूरत होती है. देखने का नज़रिया होना चाहिए. एंड विद दैट, एट ट्रैवल फूड ड्रीम्स वी आर सेलिब्रेटिंग एवरी मोमेंट ऑफ लाइफ. टेक केयर. Friends, the trip we are taking today, we are going towards our destination where we'll be taking the boat. But before we take the boat, we're just exploring the island, just seeing how the island is, and trust me, this island is absolutely massive. I've been to other islands as well, but this one is specifically by far the most amazingly big island I've ever been to. So let's carry on exploring this place, and as I'm mesmerized, I am very sure you will be surprised as well. Enjoying at the peak, this is what happens. We are having a great time right now, and all my wonderful friends over here. Awesome. Hello, Mr. Never Give Up, Jamshad.
He's have history for everything, mashallah. And I am driving, and you photography, and we will every time eating only.
Friends, this is one of the best experiences I've had over here so far, Farasan Islands, and I am joined with my friend over here, Mr. Jamshad, and we are having the best time of our life. This is the boat that we have. We have amazing people over here.
summer season. Yeah.
بعد 3 شهور لايام الشتاء
After 3 months, the season, winter season,
اقدر اطلعك مكان حلو يعني
it's a beautiful place and more fish.
صيد موجود.
Yeah, more fish. You can maybe swimming also and enjoy more than the summer fish.
Oh.
Summer season.
So the best time to come here is winters.
Winter.
What month would be the best?
After 3 months like this. After
3 months.
Between maybe September, October.
نوفمبر اكتوبر
Yes.
بعد 3 اشهر.
After 3 months.
اوغست سبتمبر اكتوبر سنة.
حريق شكلك.
Whoa! Yes!
No, I will not stop.
Yeah,
What goes on?
that's the best I can do.
يلا. يلا. Oh.
So friends, after a dip, these are the mangrove forests that we were talking about. It is just a surprise. You show this anyone sees it and they will not believe it is Saudi Arabia. My dear friends, welcome to the most beautiful part that I've seen so far. These are the mangrove forests of Saudi.
No, and still not inside. Go inside also. If you go inside, you feel beautiful place more than. Oh wow.
Look at this, my friend.
المنقروض. ايش هو المنقروض ده؟
Are the most famous mangroves over here. Friends, मजाक नहीं कर रहा, इतना अमेजिंग फील तो मेरे को आज तक कहीं नहीं आया. मतलब मेरे को यकीन नहीं हो रहा कि मैं सऊदी अरेबिया में हूँ.
This is train to see people. This is train. Not coming like other tribe. Maybe from down to up. This is from up to down coming. Yeah. Abdullah Ahmad Abbas. This is name.
Okay.
This is housing. Before in Saudi Arabia, we are the housing like this. You come. This is one room. See, we go out from other side also.
Okay. Wow. This is very old. This is very old.
Take care. Have big snack.
Where?
Wallahi, have big snack. Take care. I'm scared now. This
Where?
is like a small farm or like this.
This is the cafeteria.
Because before
This is dates, right?
yes, before no anyone eat pasta or eat rice or anything. Only milk and dates.
Milk and dates.
Yeah.
And these are the date trees.
Palm trees.
Okay.
This room available there also.
So nice.
Yeah.
Inshallah. While we were taking a walk, and now that we are really thirsty for some cool off, we came to Mr. Shimant over here, who handles the cafe over here. Again, a very friendly person. Let me ask something about this place, and my friends on Travel Food Dreams would come to know a little more about this place, which will be very helpful. Brother, what juice is this?
No.
This is ये क्या है भाई?
Yes, flavor, I think.
This is good for health.
Yep.
Yes. Two. Make one also, huh?
No problem.
I don't want anyone share with me.
So, friend, could you please tell me a little bit about this place? इस जगह के बारे में थोड़ा सा बता सकते हैं?
हाँ, ये जो फरासान का जो आइलैंड है ना, ये यहाँ का सबसे पुराना गांव है।
अच्छा,
ये मुमकिन 300 साल पहले हुआ था ये गांव।
ये 300 साल पुराना है?
300 साल पुराना है।
अच्छा।
उससे ज्यादा भी पुराना हो सकता है, मुझे जो मालूम है 300 साल का है।
ठीक है।
और यहाँ पर जो नबी के जमाने में जो रहता
किसी
था ना
और का?
सहाबी लोग, वो भी है यहाँ पर, उसका भी घर है यहाँ पर सब।
सच में?
सच में, तुम देख सकते हो सब घूम रहे।
अच्छा अच्छा,
और
थैंक यू।
अंदर में तुम्हारा हरिंग है,
अच्छा
वो देखने के लिए तुमको वो यहाँ से सीधा जाना पड़ेगा अंदर में।
ठीक है।
यही है दोस्त। कोनिचिवा, अरिगातो गोजाइमासु। आइस की आइस।
Okay, thank you.
वेलकम ब्रदर।
बट सीरियसली आपको मिलकर बहुत अच्छा लगा एंड वेरी ऑनेस्टली थैंक यू फॉर एवरीथिंग फ्रेंड्स। Very honestly, if you come here, just come inside, and once you talk to him with the tea, you speak to him and you'll have a smile. Thank you very much. Thank you. Friends, it's been a beautiful day over here. It's been an absolutely memorable day. Now I'm feeling a little hungry, so I thought, why not come for a little pizza margarita and just consume that cheesiness. So I was asked to come to this beautiful place, and my friend over here, Mr. Mogli, he told me that, okay, these are the things. He explained to me everything very nicely. And enjoy pizza, you can definitely visit him. It's not gonna be a disappointment. You would be impressed. When you come here, you will find so many more friends.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Iceland.
Just how stunning things can be. I'll show you something.
I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter.